Let's just go up.
I'm willing to take full responsibility for the horrible events of the last 24 hours, but you must understand. Our interest in their world was purely for the betterment of mankind.
Sure.
Everything has clearly gotten out of hand now, yes. But it was worth
Getting
the
angry.
risk. I assure you.
Freaking awesome. Right. Yeah. Okay. I will say when I when I first did this bit, I failed an awful lot. So I'm gonna try and not fail as much. So where's the dossier? Dossier. Database. GLONASS. And tutorials. Don't really need anything. Okay. Sweet. Right. Oh yeah, this is where I found out you don't take any damage for falling. It's pretty handy. Although I do think that's a little bit not needed. Because it would... I think that's just purely because I play a lot of platformers, so it makes you think about where you need to go and stuff. I would kind of prefer that, but, you know, I didn't make this game. I'm not a game developer. What am I? I don't need it. Oh, and these things. So, these... Oh, that's the wrong button. That is definitely the wrong button. Right, I'll be right back. Hey guys, sorry about that. I guess I accidentally pressed a button that I wasn't supposed to. So I had to actually exit the game and come back in. But yeah, we're back in the place that we were before, so we're just going to quickly pick this up. So these are just basically like little things that give you history about the environment that you're in. I'm not going to read all of this, partially because it's very long, but also this is related to previous games. So if you have played Doom, you probably know all about this. So there's not really much point in reading it all out and stuff. Right, there's a lot of fire, and I just saw demons jumping down. Right, as I said before, I died a lot on this bit, so hopefully I won't do it quite as much. We shall wait and see. Right, let's go. Oh, bush. Oh, that was a good explosion. Monsters. Yeah, I don't like these ones either. They're probably worse than imps. It's alright. It's helpful, got the random luck and stuff. Oh, no. Oh, beautiful. Alright. Oh, there's another one. There's two. Oh god. I'm jumping. I've got low ammo as well. I'm an imp piece of shit. Alright. Okay. Oh. I think I got some ammo as well. Did I get some ammo? No. Right, okay. Ah, some ammo here. Right. Okay. Right, some more around. So I can hear them. Oh. I've heard something else, I think. Because I think there's another shooty one. Right, is that it? Nope. Oh, that was cool. Right. I think we're all good. Yeah. I didn't die once! Like, when I did this before, I died so many times, it was actually ridiculous. And I didn't die once. I'm so proud. I'm so glad that everything just got corrupted. Because there'd be so many people just, like, so angry with me. But I wouldn't have shown all of it anyway. Alright. I forgot where we need to go. Oh, we need to go up. Up. And then to the left. To the left, to the left. And then go that way. But is there anything else I can grab from here? I don't think there is. Nope. Okay. Yeah, one of the things is when I play games is that I think I maxed out ammo as well. Is that I like to collect a lot of things. You should see me when I play Tomb Raider 2013. I am so bad at it. Right, got to find a blue access card. Key even. What's that? What's that? I guess it's a secret. Ah. Oh yeah, that's where the guy is. Okay. That's totally fine. It was up here, wasn't it? I found a secret! Oh, that's so cute. That's actually really cute. I want it. Oh, I actually found a secret. Sweet. Okay. So collectibles. Let's have a look at these. Collectibles on each map. Each one you like a model that can be viewed by using collectibles menu. Oh, sweet. Oh god, I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I like that. I actually want one of those. They're so cute. I've got the key card. Do not like the sound of that. Right. Could have gone the other way. Anything else? Nope. Sweet. Access granted. Sweet. I think I've got grenades. How does right. I did actually learn how to do it, but I had to look at the key bindings. Ooh. Oh, left control. Okay, that's fine. If it was a recharge timer, it must complete before you can use it again. Okay. So those are grenades. I don't know what these two are. This looks freaking amazing. As I said previously, I haven't played a Doom game before this. I might have said that previously. I probably didn't actually. Yeah, I've never actually played a Doom game before. So I don't know all the weapons really. Should I do a thingy? I'm pressing left shift and nothing's working. Alright, we have to go to key bindings. Bear with me. Oh, that's right. It's actually the middle. It's the mouse wheel. Ooh. I wonder if I can go down from there now. Oh, I thought it was dead. Jeez. Right, okay. Okay. Chase out nicely. This is the part where I get lost as well. I keep going in places that I've been before. Oh, press the wrong button. Too far away now. Fuck off. Is there anything around here? Can I check? Okay. Moving on. Oh, there's another bunch of those, so we know exactly what to do. And of course, ink's colouring. It's still too far away. What? Oh, you jumped out of the way, you little bitch. No. Sweet, checkpoint. I'm guessing we have to go... Which way do we have to go? Oh, up that way. Okay. I'm just good. Let's check this place out. Scope. Armor. What's that? Oh, it's just grenades and stuff. Anything else down here? Oh, just more dunes. Beautiful. Fuck off. That gun is so bad. Oh. Okay, done like death ray from above. I missed my choosing. Right, can we go back to shotgun? Yes, we can. We don't need any more. Oh, we do need more. Okay. Anything else around here that's worth possibly taking? Wow, look at that. That's awesome. Just desert wasteland. That's pretty fucking cool. Right. Just go back and move forward. It's not actually that far away from it now. It's up this way, right? Oh, it's up there. Oh, okay. So we weren't meant to go that way. Right, okay, so we are here now. Brilliant. Let's keep on keeping on. There's something up there. Oh, it's that little robot. I just want to go here first. Grab anything I can. More armour. Oh, that desert sound. Got another thingy. So that little robot up there essentially is a weapon mod little thingy. Well, it gives you like weapon mods. So for now, I could choose the charged burst or the explosive shot. I'm gonna go explosive shot because let's face it, that's pretty fucking cool. Purchase. You really didn't have to punch it like that. Poor robot. Right, so, explosive shot. How do I use it? I can't remember. Frag grenade. Oh, so it's a frag grenade, not an actual grenade. Okay, I think I should have. Oh, I've done it again. Right, bear with me. Right, okay, so we're back to where I was before. I've just actually gotten the weapon mod from over there, and I found out that it's actually right click to do the charge shot. And I need to stop pressing that button, even though I don't know which button it is that I'm pressing. What I really need to do is memorise my freaking keyboard, because I don't think I explained this, but essentially I'm not actually used to PC games. I'm actually a consoles rogue, so this is going to be very interesting to do a whole series. But we shall crack on. I can take out the big ones first. Oh, that was cool. I shoved his broken leg into his mouth. That was awesome. Ah, this one there is an imp. Bloody bastard. Oh no, there's one with a charge shot. I think the problem last time, when I was dying so much, was that I was treating the shotgun as if it was a sniper rifle, which obviously you can't do. Where did that come from? Did you move over there? I think I saw you move. Oh my god, there you are. Git. Don't you dare. Don't you dare walk away. Beautiful. Right, okay. Oh god. Oh, I forgot there's no falling damage. Right. Okay, so we do actually have to go up here. If I remember correctly. Jump and no, okay. Go up this way? No? Okay. Go up this way. Fair enough. Although I do want to get all that stuff. I want to get that stuff. I need it. Is there another thingy up there? Oh no. Don't you dare. Oh, there's one right there. Jesus. They've both moved down the road. Okay. Oh, I'm too far away. Where's the other one? Oh! Sweet! There's one more. Right in the face. Right, okay. Hello, Emil. Ah, this is how you get up there. Okay, cool. And that's it. Just health. Oh well, could be worse. Okay, nothing around here. I'm loving the music as well. Like, that was one of the things when I saw the trailer, I just actually loved the music. I think I said earlier, one of the taglines was like blood, gory, and actually, in fact, I think it's... what is it? I think it was blood, guts, and big guns. Oh, what do I know? Right. There's that arrow up there. Beautiful. Let's just carry on this way, I think. Because what I want to do is go up there and get that armor, but I think I need to jump.